Today, we've got a booster box mystery pack we got off eBay. So I have no idea what packs are inside. Should be 6 packs, and so 7 packs total, I think. 6 packs and a bonus pack, it says. Bonus hit pack, whatever that means. So let's see what packs we've got. So base set, Temporal Forces, Masquerade, Obsidian Flame, Vivid, Savage Sparks, and then a Japanese pack. Obviously that one must be the extra one, but let's get into it. We'll start with this one and we'll add the totals at the end of what we've got, see if it's worth getting another or not. So no idea what to call this one, but Japanese booster. Let's go. And first time opening any Jap cards. Yeah, don't get a code. We've got Krusty, got Magby, Golbat. That's a nice card. I have no idea what you call, but it's the style you want it. And then we've got, same again, Sesame Sage or something I think he is. But stick you in a sleeve, stick you on the side. Add the total of his pack on the screen. So that was my first time ever opening a Japanese pack. That's what we got. And on to pack number 2. I opened that before, I don't think. So let's put them in order of which way we want to open them. Yeah, I'll go that way. So pack number 2, Twilight Masquerade. We'll do that thing again where we re-intro it once we rip it. Pack number 2, Twilight Masquerade. Let's go. And it's 2, isn't it? 1, 2. Promo, Steel, Growlithe, Monferno, Nosepass, Big Nose, Jinx, Leafeon, Reverum, Riolabloom, Emolga, Sandygast, and Oprion EX. So I'll add the totals of his pack on the screen. Just leave the EX up. On to the next one. I'm going to stick the pulls on a separate pile, and obviously the bulk in another one. Then we'll come back and see what we got at the end. Oh, what's this one? So, Temporal Forces, pack number 3. Let's go. Then 1, 2. Fire. Need to tidy that up. Code. Gast. Fizzian. Dunsparce. Snoom. Hand Trimmer. Rabska. Iron Jugs. Ponyta. Mudscale. And Meldham. So I'll totals for his pack on the screen. Move all this over. Tidy the rest up at the end. So next pack's base set. Again, Ripper. There you go. Pack number 4, base set. Got this and 3 more to go. 2. Code. Fighting. Mischief. Seplu. Meditite. Energy. Penny. Medicham. Quaxwell. Potion. Houndoom. It's a nice Houndstone. And that's a pack. But that Houndstone's a nice art. I'll add the totals to his pack on the screen. So far, I've had 2 out of 4. Not the worst, not the best. Next pack is Surgeon Sparks. Again, hopefully we get something good. Been opening a lot of these lately, so hopefully we get something good. Pack number 5, Surgeon Sparks. I've repeated myself like 3 times saying I hope I get something good, but that's what I hope. So, promo, Fighting, Shellis, Dendy, Monkey, Zebstrike, Brusix, Terratora, Count Again, Wu Chien, Panzer, and Chien Po. So I'll add the totals of this pack on screen. And then we've got 2 to go. So we haven't had the best of pulls yet, but we'll soon see in these last 2. I can actually rip it open. There you go. So Obsidian Flame, pack number 6, penultimate pack. 1, 2. Code, Dark, Lillipup, Toxel, Charchet, Panwa, Toadscruel, Ninetales, Dugtrio, normal one, Fungus, Baltoy, and Scolvian. So I'll totals of his pack on the screen. And we're on to the last pack. Hopefully it recovers the rest of the packs. We get something good. But this, I think, is the first time opening this type of pack. I'm not too sure, but I don't think I've opened one in the past. Don't remember the artwork on the pack itself. Pack number 7, Vivid Voltage, final pack. It's 4 in it. Now it wants to be the energy. So we've got Fighting, You, got Ferrothorn, Telesite, Pinscrunch, Wilma, Weedle, Beldum, Panpy, Duskull, Widen Stadion, and Terrace Carrion. So I'll add the totals of this pack on screen. I'll add the totals for the full mystery box on screen. Like I say, these are the only 2 pulls. Don't think that one's worth out. I'm not sure on this one because I've never opened Jap, but we'll soon see. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll link the mystery box somewhere in case you want one, and I'll see you later.